Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video I'd like to show you how you can drastically improve in Blender and gain answers with ChatGPT that would have taken much longer if you'd used Google. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways you can use ChatGPT to help you with Blender. And I'm going to make this video pretty short because I don't want to waste your time. I just want to jump right into the video. So now please watch this video till the very end, and now let's start with number one to utilize ChatGPT. So let's say there's no video on YouTube showing you how to do something in Blender, and even if there is, but it's not like step by step or to the point. So what you're gonna do is go to ChatGPT and let's say that's what I'm looking for, how to make a fireball in Blender using geometry nodes. And here you have a direct answer, a step-by-step guide, and if there's a word you don't recognize or you don't know what it means, you can simply ask ChatGPT to explain what it means and what it does in Blender. You can also request additional explanations so that you can understand the various terms in Blender, and that's method number one. Now let me show you method number two on how to use ChatGPT to help you improve your skills. So if there's something problematic in Blender, like a bevel that doesn't work fully as it's supposed to, you can also ask ChatGPT. You can also ask follow-up questions if there's something you need clarification on. So that's it, guys. There are all other ways you can use AI to learn Blender faster, but I'll reveal those in the next video because I don't want to make this video too long. So please subscribe so you can watch the next video when it's finished. And thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.